Welcome to The Fridge is Red, a indie little horror game where you are probably fighting demons at 3 a.m. trying to get a nice cold water bottle. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. What is this? For Daddy at work. Oh, we're in the UK. Little beans on toast. Little beans on toast here. Can we move? Bro, I gotta turn this down. Jesus Christ. What the? Yo, that junk is weird. Okay, there is... Huh. Alright then. Don't take... Oh. It wants me to look at it. Little princess. Knows your thoughts. His name is different. Well, there's one with his name on it. What did I put the one with his name on it? Friends likes Ellis. Right click is zoom. I turn away, it's gonna kill me. Oh, Jesus Christ. That doesn't have anything to do. Light. No, okay. Huh. There's... Oh, wait. Hey, yo, oh. Oh, shoot, okay. Seems to be mad at me. Okay, so there's gonna be like a little frame I could see the tiny piece. Oh. Oh, let's go. Why is her doll different? What the heck? Ooh. One more, I need one more. I need one more. I just want to be friends. Is this it? No, it's not. Okay, I only got a limited amount of time now. Hey. It's so weird. Her doll keeps, like, moving. I swear to God, earlier, like, the head was down on that. I just heard footsteps over here. What the heck? Throw it at you. Stupid. Rider. There's a demon in the. Okay, that didn't help. You think. Weapons of fire. Yeah, the doll changed again. Seems to lag, but I can't understand what she's saying. Have you found this? No, this is. I found a doll. Next. I need the F, bro. Where's the F? I turn away. I feel like it's gonna kill me. Oh, it is clear why. Oh, I hope she is still alive. I lost my physiognomic letters. Sleepy C. Take your eyes off. Washing machine stole my letters. Got those. Lost. Okay. This is not good, dude. I think like that looks like a letter, but it's not. Hold on, let me see what happens if I fall asleep. Can't click anything. Oh! Okay, maybe... Okay, maybe the doll... Okay, if I just look at you, right? The doll has its head down. Maybe I can... Because there, I didn't hear the refrigerator wasn't moving, I don't think, when I had my back turned. Okay. Nope, that was... Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. Swear to God that it was standing elsewhere. Yep, you're right. Yep. Okay. Where is this last... Up in the sky? I'm gonna be so pissed, bro. Does that say mood? What the? Bro, there's no way, no way. No signal. Okay, maybe that was just like a battle of nutrition or something. For daddy to work. They hung up. Picked up a quarter. What's the same one? Was this a soda? Oh, okay, that's how you put that back. Yeah, I was not using that with the letters last time. Pill bottle. Is that? Yeah, nothing important, I guess. $23.04. What it? Dang, I didn't read it. Can't do that again. Dang. Get up. Oh, okay. Let's turn that back off. What? Okay. No, they don't. They don't say anything on them. That looks really sick, but extremely creepy. Before I leave, I have to turn off my computer. Turn off the lights. Wait, or the what? Oh, the cleaning lady, I think it said. Just turned it off. Hey, yo, hold on. I swear to God, I just heard someone knock on the door. Well, not the door, the window. Get in the elevator. Get in the elevator. Get in the elevator. Get in the elevator. Dude, that looks sick. Anyways, get in the elevator. The same. Yep. Is the door open? There's a vending machine. Alright, well, okay. I did not mean to drink that. Oh. I'm faster now. On floor 9. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Just, go ahead, stop on 66. 666, I bet you do it. Come on, I'm calling it. Go ahead, do it. I know you want to. We're gonna see the elevator stuck and I'll try to do something about it. Now try to get out on your own. Hey. Hey. It's me again. I'm up here. The winch seems to be jammed. I'm trying to get out. If I'm done here, I have to go down to the technical floor and restart it. Dang, that looks really nice too. In front of the music, you can enter it. No. You look a little tired, buddy. So, did I just press? wait. I swear I just heard like the press button. Oh, so this is the open door button. Oh! I don't think that's... Ooh. I'm sorry for what I'm about to do, dog. Oh. Ooh, that is... Sorry, man. Yeah. Hey, no hard feelings, alright? Oh. Sorry, man. Alright, all the buttons are go. Oh, looks like I have to put in this curse number, so... Oh. Oh, how courteous. No. I just go home? Okay. Dang, I should have saved that soda for right now, because Jesus Christ. I'm back to being slow. Well, couldn't have been that easy, huh? Just had a nice little tune. Oh. Had a nice little tune, you know? Elevator bump, and then... I just do it. Yeah, I did. Sensitivity's insanely high, bro. All I wanted was to go home to my daughter, I'm assuming. I fought a fridge. Alright. Do not play on... do not play on or around. And now there's doors open. And there's tons of blood on the floor. Oh, great. And there's a grandfather clock sound. What is this? Stranger Things season 4, huh? I'm assuming generator, since he said generator. Can I jump? This is the radio for my room. Oh, my new shoes. How rude, sir. It seems we have a missing piece to the puzzle. Oh, nope. I guess that's just aesthetic choice, huh? What the? These quarters? No, they're not quarters. It's a beautiful painting. Picked up a key to a locker room. Alright, man. What's your name? If you need coins, look in Michael's locker, I'm assuming. Oh, not on my luxurious suit. Useless. I don't really think this place is up to code. Was it empty? Yep. I swear like these bottles are open. Like I see the cap on them. You ruined my suit. I'm gonna have to take this to the dry cleaners. It's my daughter's crate. Again. Huh. Who knew it was that easy? I really should have saved that soda, dude. I'm so slow. And now you're sitting over here. You need corn. Oh. I have a quarter, don't I? I picked it up. That's actually pretty cool. There's sodas right here, man. Just let me have them. Oh, I didn't take the quarter. Oh. R2. I mean, no. Left click. I mean, right click. Right click. I'm not a console player, I swear. Must pass. I'm assuming that can open the doors. Like the one that I seen with the little key card lock. Yeah, I can, so I'm gonna have to double back. Just in case. I'm gonna make sure I don't have to click it again. Alright, cool. That brings me out here. I'm assuming the elevator's not gonna work, so I am gonna have to go through that door. Wait, those are the same boxes from thing. Still here, car? Roll. Alright. Don't hit me with the end of demo. Oh? Did I break the... Wait. It can't go on forever, surely, right? I don't know if you can hear this, but I had to take my headphones off because that junk is hurting my ears. Okay, dang it. Leaving me to break a game, bro. Jesus Christ. Okay. God. Wow, I have to go home. One. Dude, I can't believe I broke it, dude. God dang it. Alright, so let's not break the game this time. Screw the elevator, we're just going to this door. You sick bastard. Was I supposed to... I'm not gonna lie, this is actually pretty cool because I'm pretty sure they actually made the cutouts and everything. Oh. Okay, so that was our wife. In the hallway. I don't think so. Bunny. Open the doors. All right. What? Oh, shoot. Oh my god, the music's back. Oh my god, it's so loud I cannot think. Is this Morbius on the screen? What is this? Or is it? That looks like it's in the freaking. Oh my god. No. No, please stop. Oh my god. Oh. 910 9109 9109 9109 9109 9109 2. Okay, I guess I did it. Not too sure on that. The TV changed? Nope, it's still good old. Okay, it was bugging out a little bit. At first it took me like some hell place. I don't know how I did that, but yeah, only I can screw something up so easily. I have to avoid these guys. I'm gonna just avoid them for now. Oh. God dang it. I swear I looked at all the things in there. Alright. Hey. Bug your wife. Go home. Stop drinking. Play with daughter. This isn't gonna be as easy as I think. You'll be fine. Eat with your family. Go ahead, close. Go ahead. I know you want to close. Yep. And that was The Fridge It's Red. Now, besides me breaking the game, I think for the first two, I did break the game, but for the last part, I just didn't realize that there was a passcode in the TV. So besides that, yeah, everything was enjoyable. I really liked the atmosphere of it and everything. But yeah, I will be looking forward to the full game coming out. Well, I think it's at episodic releases. I've been Buck Ape, and I'll see you in the next one.